The health benefits of consuming strawberries cannot be overemphasized. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a creamy strawberry smoothie alongside its health benefits. I have some ripe strawberries. I'll go ahead and give it a quick rinse in order to get rid of dirt or even pesticide. I'll further remove the stem, then cut it into smaller chunks just to make the blending process much more easier. I also diced some banana into thin circles. This will add richness and creaminess to our smoothie. So to make the smoothie, I'll be transferring the strawberry chunk into the blender alongside with the diced banana. For more nutrients, I'll be adding a teaspoon of chia seed. And for the liquid base, I'll be making use of milk, although you can choose to use a plain yogurt or a Greek yogurt. But if you don't want a dairy product, you can simply just use water. So just cover the blender and allow it to blend properly. So while that's blend, let's talk about some of the health benefits of consuming this amazing smoothie. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps to boost the overall immunity of the body. It's high in fiber, which helps to support digestion and make one to feel fuller for longer. It contains potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure, and is also good for weight management as it's low in calories and high in nutrients. There are other health benefits of consuming this smoothie, but this is just to mention a few. After blending, our creamy strawberry smoothie is pretty much ready. You can choose to allow yours to sit for some time, just so the chia seed will have enough time to expand, giving the smoothie a pudgy-like consistency. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this smoothie. There are also lots of smoothie recipes on the channel, so please feel free to check them up after watching this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.